All right, everyone, welcome to Sour Horsepower, and you're now joining me at the end of day 2 of us working on the garage here. We made a lot of progress today. Wasn't able to film too much because we were just kind of going after it. I did take a couple clips that I'll be throwing in here in the video, but let's go ahead and jump over there and take a look at all what we did today. All right, so here we're at the back of the garage. We got a whole bunch of framing done. Underneath, you can see we did some of it here. And we got some drywall hung back here. But as you can see now, there's no longer a step down back of the wall, and we're also covering up a bunch of the wiring, that rat's nest of wires that was up there. But yeah, we had to do that. There was the dryer power cable that was going from here. They had it routed all along the wall. It was going around, then back around that side down into the house for the dryer. What we ended up doing is cutting a little hole here. You can see the cable there. We ran that back down through and then underneath the wall and everything to make that more seamless, because now we don't have that ugly black wire running just across the top of the garage there. So that's much cleaner now. But this side is almost done. We just have to fill in that little gap right there with drywall and then patch that hole and then finish it, tape it up, and then we'll be looking good there. We also got the receptacle done that in the last episode we did. We showed my brother running the wires for it, pulling it from the other side of the wall and everything. But now we got the power mounted, so that way when this is all said and done, I have my toolbox right here. We'll have the probably car charger for the car that's here. And then, yeah, so we'll be able to have power back here for whatever we need to do. As you can see here, we still got some drywall corners and stuff, because if you see here, let's walk around, we were able to fill in or frame around this hideous metal pole that was here. So now we got a nice drywall column that we have to finish up, but we got to finish putting the corners on it and everything, and then that'll look nice. Gonna seal the top, and then we'll put the same trim along the bottom that we're doing around the rest of the garage. So I'll have a nice trim going along the bottom. But I don't know if you remember, there was drywall on this wall. But earlier this week we had a pipe burst. So if you can see up there, this pipe right there. So that's all new, because that T-union that was there actually popped off. And at about 3 a.m. that T-union popped off, and what that did was dump water all down this wall, completely destroying the drywall and everything. Fortunately, a lot of the insulation here didn't get wet, because there was insulation along the top here. You can see there's some over there, but there was insulation here that caught a lot of the water, but then it ran down the drywall that was here. So we ripped out that drywall, and now we have to put, as you can see, new drywall in its place. Then we also had to fix this today. That was an unforeseen fix that we had to do. So when we were cutting the hole for that, because this used to be, this was already mounted here, we accidentally cut because they had flex pipe here for the entire dryer vent. So since that was cut, as you can see, well, here's the old piece right there. That's where it was cut. But now we've replaced it with solid metal piece, and then now it runs out to the appropriate place where it needs to vent outside the house. And then this is where my electrician brother, you saw him in the last episode, here's that black cable that was running all along the top side of the wall and around. We ran that in to a junction box, boom, and then we ran that up a new cable or new conduit or whatever, Romex, I don't even know, I'm not an electrician. Whatever that was, now that's running into the house and is much better, hidden behind the wall, not in sight, so all completely done right. But yeah, it's been a long day of drywall and framing and cutting, and yeah, so a couple of other things we have to finish. I have to get these boards off the wall, because as you can see, they kind of stripped out some of these screws. That's supposed to be a Phillips head there, but it's just a circle. So I got to rip these off the wall so that way we can patch the holes and paint. But we have stuff like this here that's chewed up. That's going to have to get painted or mudded in and painted. But we've made some good progress. A lot of mudding needs to occur. You see here. yeah, we gotta do something about that. But, oh, and then one other thing we did. So, not sure if I pointed this out in the last video, but up here, this was all like open. There was like a bunch of gaps and stuff. So we put some 2x4s in there, sealed it up nice. So we can mud that over, make it nice and flat, and then paint it to match the walls and everything. So we are making progress. Making some progress, but still got a lot to do. A lot of work. I was thinking about paying somebody to come in and do it, but the amount of money I'm saving doing it myself is probably a couple $1,000s. So, I mean, I've had help from family and friends and stuff, so big shout out to them. But yeah, long day. Many more long days to come. I'm not sure exactly where we're going to be finished on this. I'm hoping maybe next week or two. The family friend that was helping us with the drywall said he's going to come back probably Wednesday or Thursday night. We'll be able to finish this up, get those last 2 pieces of drywall hung up here, mud it all in, and then it'll be up to me to paint it. And then once we paint it, what do I gotta do next? Then I gotta do the floors. So I am gonna do like a epoxy sealant on the floors. Not too sure. I think I'm gonna do black. I'm definitely gonna do black on the floors because it'll hide all the dirt and stains and stuff. As for the wall colors at the moment, color or colors, obviously it would be a lot simpler just to do one sheet or one color. But I was thinking about maybe doing a half and half. Right now, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I was thinking about doing gray on the top, like a darker gray, not a super light gray, but medium gray we'll call it. And then like a Mopar blue along the bottom half, kind of where you see, kind of where you see this stripe here from the drywall tape. I was thinking about doing the bottom half in like a dark Mopar blue, top half in medium gray, and then I got to get some trim to go around this base, that little concrete base and stuff there, and then with a black floor. So let me know what you guys think, if that would look good. Maybe I don't know if that'll make it too dark in here. We're having the dark blue on the bottom with a black floor, but then doing gray here, and then we're going to do a white on the ceiling. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below your thoughts on the color. I'm hoping I'm making the right choice. If I don't do the two-tone with the blue, it'll probably just be gray on the whole wall. I think that'll look pretty nice with the black floor and everything. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching this quick garage update. It's going to be probably a 4 or 5 part series if I had to guess, maybe even more. But if you enjoyed it, give me a like, comment below your thoughts. Let me know about the color choices, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.